Welcome to our channel DigitalBix Fashions. Here in this video we are going to show the best blouse designs 2020 for Indian wedding season. A bride has so many choices with variety of outfits, tops, designer tops or a simpler one. And of course it's so difficult to choose a blouse as you brides want to look stunning, right? In this video we make it easier for you to select and choose your wedding blouse by providing the top 10 designer blouses. Without any late, let's get into the video. Elegant long sleeve blouse with round neck design. If you are a bride, want to look simple and elegant, then this is the blouse for you. This round neck blouse is the best for every occasion and you can customize it as per your interest. The blouse comes with a variety of patterns printed on it like musical patterns or leaves or dotted ones, etc. Back slit blouse. If you are a bride, want to look classic, then you go for a back slit blouse with floral prints on it. You can customize the floral prints on the blouse the way you want. Fashionable, bold and trendy blouse. This blouse is best for those brides who want to look fashionable and don't shy to show off their back, as this blouse has a deep neck from the back side. Chinese collar with long sleeves. This blouse is perfect for those who want to look modern. This blouse comes with many cuts and it closes your neck as Chinese women used to wear in the old era, though it is still popular. Modern and chic halter neck blouses. If you want to look modern and chic, then this blouse is for you. This blouse comes with a halter neck and the blouse held by a statement strap around the neck area. Bold and strapless blouse. You can choose this blouse if you want to look bold. This blouse has no straps but definitely holding you from the back side. Heavily embellished see-through sleeve blouse. This blouse is for those people who want to look hot but also elegant. You can choose this heavily embellished see-through sleeve blouse. Flaunt your back with a backless blouse. If you want to flaunt your back, then go for it. These backless blouses hold by a single strap or by a single dory from the back side. A shirt blouse. If you want to look classy and elegant and stylish, you can choose a shirt blouse design. This blouse is a combination of a shirt and a blouse. A frill blouse design. This blouse is for those people who want to look quirky. We hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashion for more interesting videos. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like, share, subscribe and press the bell button for latest updates. Thank you. Bell button for latest updates. Thank you.